It took some time and now my head's back on track. It's tough when you have no stuff to do. You told me to stay happy and I took a few steps back. Now I intend on just being friends with you. Things got out of hand, I think we both agree. Safe to say our friends are in agreement too. After all this confusion, it's a relief to be free, but it's still a shame I live so far from you. I don't regret us getting so close, I just regret getting so drunk. And it's with you I associate it most, which is why I was left feeling so sunk. It's probably true I work less 'cause of you, though my degree shouldn't turn out too bad. But whatever you do, don't think that I blame you, 'cause you're the best distraction I ever had. You call me innocent, I was in a sense, but lately I've been guilty for a change. I struggled with coherence, mixed with bitterness. It's a blend that always tends to estrange. There were some things in my head that I better left unsaid. I had issues that I've still not quite got through. I guess the irony is, though it needn't be said, that I needed a distraction from you too. Those short few months were certainly bizarre, though they're the best I've had in a while. And of my friends you were my favorite by far. You almost never failed to make me smile. We went with the flow, the distance made it slow. Labels weren't forthcoming, but I'm still glad. So if you're ever feeling low, I just want to let you know that you're the best distraction I ever had.